Slide 1, title, Research and Data Made Easy. Okay, bestie, it's Deja. Welcome to Research and Data Made Easy, aka stop guessing and start moving like you know something. If you're tired of throwing spaghetti at the wall and calling it a strategy, type yes in the chat. Slide 2, hook. Why Google for hours when ChatGPT can summarize in seconds? Let me ask you something real quick. Why are you Googling for hours like you're writing a dissertation when ChatGPT can summarize it in seconds? If you've ever fallen into a Google rabbit hole and came out with nothing, type me. Slide 3, the problem. You're not inconsistent, you're uninformed. Here's why you feel inconsistent. You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated, you're uninformed. So everything takes longer. What usually happens is you research for 2 hours, you get overwhelmed, you post nothing. Then you say, tomorrow. And tomorrow turns into next week. Spicy truth, confusion is expensive. If you're done paying the confusion tax, type done. Slide 4, what this training fixes. Today you're getting the shortcut, the smart one. So today I'm giving you the shortcut, not the shady shortcut, the smart shortcut. By the end, you'll know how to gather info fast, summarize and compare like a boss, research markets and content without drowning, and stay informed without doom scrolling like it's cardio. If that sounds like peace, type peace. Slide 5, what AI actually does. Here, ChatGPT equals your research assistant. Think of ChatGPT like your assistant, the one that doesn't call out sick, doesn't need breaks, and doesn't talk back. It can summarize topics, pull patterns, compare options, turn research into content ideas, and help you decide faster. And here's the gag. You don't need more information. You need better decisions. If you're ready to make smarter moves, type SMART. Slide 6, the research stack. Ask to summarize, to compare, to apply. I'm about to make this so simple, it's disrespectful. Ask, summarize, compare, apply. That's it. No extra steps, no overthinking, no, I'm still researching. Because still researching is just procrastination in a cute outfit. If you've been living in still researching, type OOP. Slide 7, Step 1, Trend Research, Prompt. Okay, bestie. Step 1 is trend research because we are not about to post random motivational quotes and pray for a miracle. You don't need more ideas. You need to know what's already working right now so you can slide in with confidence. So here's what you ask ChatGPT. Copy this exactly. Summarize 5 current trends in online marketing for beginners. Include why they're working and 1 example of content for each. And ChatGPT will basically hand you what's popping, why it's popping, and how you can post it without trying to be somebody's 22-year-old TikTok niece. Now, if you want to really eat, use the upgrade prompt. Now rank them by easiest to implement for a creator with 2 hours per day. Because we're not building a business that needs 8 hours, 3 ring lights, and a nervous breakdown. We're building something that fits real life. Run those prompts, and boom. Now you got trends you can actually execute this week, not someday. Slide 8, Step 2, Platform Comparison, Prompt. Stop posting everywhere like it's a punishment. Now stop posting everywhere like you got something to prove. Because being on every platform is cute until you're exhausted, irritated, and broke. Ask ChatGPT. Compare Facebook versus TikTok for attracting buyers over 40. Include pros and cons, content types, and a 7-day posting plan for each. That one prompt can save you weeks of trial and error. If you've been trying to be everywhere, type 1 platform. Slide 9, Step 3, Niche Research, Action Prompt. Find a niche that's actually hungry. Now we're finding a niche that's actually hungry, not a niche that loves your quotes and never buys a thing. Ask ChatGPT. Help me research a new niche. Ask me 5 questions, then recommend 3 niche angles with pain points, objections, and a simple offer idea. Spicy truth. A weak niche will make you feel like you're bad at marketing. You're not bad at marketing. Your niche is just sleepy. If you're ready for a niche that actually buys, type buyers. Slide 10, step 4, content research that converts. Now we turn that research into posts in minutes. Ask ChatGPT, based on this niche, give me 10 content topics, 4 educational, 3 motivational, and 3 conversion posts with hooks and calls to action. Because now you're not thinking of content, you're deploying content. If you want content that leads to sales, type convert. Slide 11, your action step, do this today. Here's your action step respectfully. Research 1 new niche using ChatGPT. You should walk away with 3 niche angles, 5 pain points, 5 objections, 1 offer idea, and 10 post topics. That's a full week of content. If you're actually going to do this today, type today. Slide 12, homework, spy smart, not messy. Now for homework, we're gonna spy, but professionally, not messy, strategic. Ask, analyze this competitor's content strategy, their pillars, tone, hooks, posting patterns, and the offer they lead to. Then ask, what are they missing that I can do better? If you've been scared to study the market, type study. Slide 13, the applied knowledge. Mic drop. Knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is mic drop. Knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is. ChatGPT helps you go from information to decisions, decisions to content, content to leads, and leads to sales. If you're always learning but never executing, you're not building, you're browsing. If you're ready to execute, type let's go. Slide 14, quick recap, the 4 prompts that change everything. Quick recap, save these 4 prompts. Trend summary, platform comparison, niche research, competitor breakdown. If you want me to drop the prompt pack, type prompts. Slide 15, contact info. Stay plugged in. Go to visit onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. Email support@onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. Join us inside school.onlinesuccessmadesimple.com and DM the word research for the prompt pack and next steps. If you want the prompt sent to you, type research. Slide 16, thank you. Next week, marketing magic with ChatGPT. All right, bestie, you just unlocked CEO level clarity. This week, research smarter, post with purpose, and stop guessing. And next week, we turning it up, marketing magic with ChatGPT. We're taking your ideas and turning them into content that converts without you overthinking yourself into a nap. If you're pulling up next week, type I'm in. Now go apply this, not tomorrow, today.